Material A has a density of 5.8 grams per centimetres cubed. Material B has a density of 4.1 grams per centimetres cubed. 377 grams of A and 1.64 kilograms of B form material C. Work out the density of material C. Okay, so we're going to be looking at three different things here. We're going to be looking at A, B, and then C. Okay, so each time we're going to be using our triangle, which is monkey, victory, dance. So for the first one, let's look at what we've got. Okay, my mass of the first one is 377 grams. My volume, I don't know. My density is 5.8 grams per centimetres cubed. So let's figure out the volume by covering up the volume in the triangle. So I'm going to be doing M divided by D, mass divided by density, which is 377 grams divided by 5.8 grams per centimetre cubed. If I do that on my calculator, so I've got 377 divided by 5.8, so that's my volume is 65, and it's going to be centimetres cubed. I'm then going to be doing, let's have a look at B. Now, the problem with B is that it's in kilograms, so I'm going to change that straight away, and we know that there's 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. So to get from kilograms to grams, I need to times by 1,000. So 1.64 is going to be 1,640 grams. And let's just start doing the monkey victory dance again. So M, the mass is 1,640. The volume, I don't know. The density is 4.1 grams per centimetres cubed. I want to find out the volume. That's already in my triangle, so I'm doing M divided by D. So I'm doing 1,640 grams divided by 4.1 grams per centimetre cubed. Which is 400 centimetres cubed. Okay, so now I've got some information for C that I didn't have before. My mass is going to be the total mass of A and B. So A and B was 377, and the mass of B was 1,640, and I get 2017. My volume, again, is going to be A and B added together, so that's going to be 65 add 400, which is 465. And I want to find out my density, so I need to use monkey victory dance again. So if I look at my triangle, this time I'm finding density. So I'm going to cover up D this time instead. So that tells me that I want to be doing M divided by V, which is 2017, and that was grams, divided by a volume of 465 centimetres cubed. Let's have a look at that. 2017 divided by 465. So that's I'm just going to say 4.3, rounded to one decimal place, grams per centimetre cubed.